Hello, welcome to another Riding Times with Revelator Alf. Just about to set off into the hills. Lots of back roads, lots of forest roads. Leaving from Oxfordshire in the UK, heading down into Berkshire towards Reading area. So, catch you on the other side. Hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Right, here we go. Close the visor down a little bit and get some wind off the mic. Well, it's another glorious evening. We had a little bit of rain last night, but you know, you wouldn't know it. So it's you know, it's a balmy 27 this evening. So, but it's I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of baking a little bit this afternoon. It got up to about 30, but it's now it's you know, starting to cool off a little bit. But anyway, enough of that. Just gonna get onto these back roads now and see where it takes us. I mean, if anything, it's, you know, it just makes a really nice commute home, you know. So I've still got the camera setup mounted on the helmet. I think I will revert back to you know, mounted on the bike soon, but you know, there's always the option to do these. I think they're probably better on the helmet once I'm going purely off-road. You might get a better view, although it does bob and weave a little bit. And they're probably good just to show you, you know, where you should be looking, or where your body could be, or where your head could be. But from an overall, you know, quality of photo, you know, I'm not video rather, I'm not that keen, I must say. But you know, can always improve on it. Anyway, let's just make this a nice leisurely ride, I think. No rush to get home. That's a lovely little village, isn't it? Wow. Straight up here, I assume. let's go and have a bit of fun, shall we? Wow, look at this. Oh, how cool is this? Eh? Amazing. Stump that. Let's go through here, shall we? And down through here. Cool. How cool is that? Alright. Cool, make some space, that was good. Right, on we go. Wow. Oh, look at this. Amazing. Sometimes you just got to get off the bike, don't you? Can't get off the bike and have a little look around, you know. Right. So this has been a bit of a ride into the hills through the forest roads. Had a bit of a wander halfway through. You've got it really, haven't you? There's so much more to explore, really. You know, I didn't even scratch the surface there. But anyway, this has been a bit of a nice ride home, actually. Nice commute home. Right, catch you on the next riding times. Hope you're enjoying them, and yeah, see you on the next road, or the track, or a dirt trail, whatever it is. Cheers for now.